Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. For the traction control, you have 3 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. We'll demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic. So now guys, we're going to open the Civic on the driver's side, and if you look under the dash on the driver's side, right underneath it, you're going to see a fuse box like this one that will be located. You can see right here is the OBD port and that fuse box. I'm going to go ahead, let's zoom it in a little bit so I can clearly show you all the fuses here. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now in that fuse box we need to check one fuse and then we need to go to another one. If you come right here, that's fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 26, 27 through 39. The fuse that we need to check is fuse number 1, that's 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That fuse right here, 34, is the one that you will need to check, guys, for the traction control. Now you have 2 more fuses that you need to check, and they're special fuses. Under the hood in your Honda Civic, right here in the corner, that's your fuse box. You open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box that looks like this one. You can see you have 3 special fuses that are known as multi-fuses, guys, multi-block fuses. You have multiple fuses in them. You cannot replace just one of those fuses inside, you have to replace the whole block of fuses. And let me show you what they look like, just like this one. You can see, okay, right there, those are the fuses, and each one of those is separate fuses, guys, but the whole thing will need to be replaced if one is burnt. So which fuse we need to check? We need to find fuse number 3, which is known as that fuse here, and in that fuse you have, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different fuses. The fuse that we need to check for the traction control will be fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 amp fuse, and fuse number 5, 40 amp fuse as well. So these 2 fuses, guys, will need to be checked as well. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.